In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a professional-looking election poster in Photoshop, step by step. This is a quick and simple method that anyone can follow, even if you're a beginner. Election posters are all about strong visuals, bold text, and clear messaging, so people can instantly recognize the candidate and remember the campaign. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your document, add a candidate photo, create a strong background, place campaign text, and export the poster ready for printing. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop design tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into Photoshop and start designing the poster. The first step is creating the document for the poster. Open Adobe Photoshop and go to File, then click New. For election posters, a common print size is A3 or 18 by 24 inches, so you can select one of those sizes depending on your needs. Make sure the resolution is set to 300 dpi so the poster prints sharp and clear. If the design is going to be professionally printed, you can also change the color mode to CMYK instead of RGB. This helps ensure the printed colors match what you see in the design. Once your settings are ready, click Create, and Photoshop will open a new blank canvas where we will design the poster. Next, we need to add the candidate's photo, which is usually the main focus of an election poster. Go to File and select Place Embedded, then choose the candidate's image from your computer. Photoshop will place the image onto the canvas. Press Ctrl and T to transform the image so you can resize it and position it properly. Most election posters place the candidate in the center or slightly to one side so the text can balance the layout. If the image background doesn't look good, you can quickly remove it. Go to Select and choose Subject, then click Select and Mask. From here, you can refine the edges and isolate the person so the photo blends nicely with the poster background. Now let's create the background for the poster. Click the New Layer icon and place this layer underneath the photo layer. You can use the Gradient tool to create a smooth color background or the Shape tool to add bold design blocks. Election posters usually use strong colors like red, blue, green, or official party colors, so the design stands out from far away. Try creating a gradient from a darker shade to a lighter shade for a modern look. You can also add subtle shapes or color overlays to give the poster more depth without distracting from the candidate photo. After that, we'll add the most important part of the poster, which is the campaign text. Select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the canvas to start typing. The candidate's name should be the largest and most visible text on the entire poster, because it is the main thing people should remember. Use a bold font that is easy to read from a distance. Under the name, you can add the position or constituency the candidate is running for. Below that, you can include a campaign slogan such as Vote for Progress, Your Voice, Your Future, or Together for Change. Try to keep the typography clean and balanced so the message is clear and professional. Next, we'll add supporting elements that give the poster important campaign information. This can include the party logo, the election symbol, or the voting date. These elements are usually placed toward the bottom of the poster so they support the design without taking attention away from the candidate photo and name. Make sure everything is aligned properly and spaced evenly so the poster looks clean and organized. Finally, take a moment to review the entire design. Check the alignment, spacing, and colors to make sure everything feels balanced. When you're happy with the result, go to File and click Save As. Save a PSD version so you can edit the design later if needed. Then export a JPEG or PDF version for printing and sharing. And that's how you can easily design an election poster in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.